Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to my ClickBank series. This is days number 40 through 42. If you would, please do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button right below this video. That way you'll get notified whenever I make new videos. Also, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. So the purpose of this ClickBank series is I'm promoting ClickBank products using a service called My Lead Gen Secret. And what My Lead Gen Secret is, it's a platform where for $1 a day, they will give you 100 leads. And I'm doing a case study to see if these are good leads or not for ClickBank products. And the first month that I've done this, I did make a little profit. So far I can say they're good leads. The case studies that I have seen, they've had at least 5 accounts to do this. I'm only doing 2. Everybody that's using 5, they even recommend that you do at least 2 accounts. So if you only have 1 account, I would highly recommend signing up another one whenever you can. And in order to sign up the other one, first off, there's a link in the description that'll take you to My Lead Gen Secret so you can go there and get signed up. After you get signed up, sign into your account and you'll be taken to this screen right here. Copy this link. Don't even click on my link again to sign up your other account. Copy this link right here. Open a new tab and paste it. Now you're going to sign up using this link and clicking on this button. Now what's the purpose of that is that's going to give you 100 bonus leads every single day. Now that you signed up your second account underneath your first account. And if you want to do more accounts, you'll sign up your third account underneath your second account, your fourth account underneath your third account, your fifth account underneath your fourth account, and so on and so on, however many accounts you want to use. That way, all those accounts are getting 100 bonus leads every single day. All right, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get signed into my ClickBank. I checked it right before I got on, and unless some miracle happened in like 5 minutes, I did not get a sell. Nope. Still no sell for 612. So I'm going to put that in my stats. 612. Let's see how many hops I got. So I'm going to click on my account nickname. And I can close this dashboard out. And here's my stats for the month. Yeah, so we're halfway there. And I'm going to click on reporting up here so I could get some more in-depth stats. 6056. So we had 6,056 hops. No sales. All right, so I'm going to click on mailing system just real quick. I'm going to click on select all, and it's going to select all of my leads. As you can see, I got 36,000 leads. Now the purpose of this, whenever you first get started, you're going to start off with 100 leads. And then the next day you're going to have 200 leads, and then 300, 400. The whole purpose of this is you want to build your email list up. People that make money online have a huge emailing list, and this is one way to build an emailing list. We do not own these leads. These aren't our leads, but they're still people that we can, actually real people that we can email. So over a long period of time, imagine what this number is going to look like for me next year if I just keep going. 1 year from now, this is almost 7 months worth of me doing this with just 2 accounts. So this one's getting 200 leads every single day. So just think about that. I done built this up to 36,000 with 200 leads every single day. All right, so now we got to go get the product that we're going to promote. We're all ready to send our email out. We got our leads all ready to email. Now we just got to get our subject line, and we got to get our body. So we got to find out what we're going to promote. So I'm going to come back over here to ClickBank. I'm going to click on Marketplace. Now there is only one category that these leads will work for, and that is the e-business and e-marketing category. They will not work for anything else. This is the only category that these leads will work for. These are people that are trying to make money online. So we're going to click on e-business and e-marketing. and then sort results by gravity. I can't wait to promote this one. I haven't even seen this one before. We're not promoting this one just yet. We still got a few more emails to send out for this. Was it live chat jobs? Yep, we're doing live chat jobs right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the affiliate page. It's going to pop up this new window. I'm just going to come right down here to where it says email swipes. Now if I look right here, it tells me what my last subject line was. I didn't see your completed job application. So that's over here somewhere. So that was email 14 right there. So we're ready for email 15. Hey, you have conditional approval. So we're going to copy that. You'll highlight it, hit Control C to copy. Come back to the tab that says mailing system. Hit Control V in the box that says subject to paste that. Then you'll scroll down to this box down here. Hit Control A to select all, then hit delete to delete it. Then we'll come back to the affiliates page, copy everything in the body, and stop right here where it says signature. Do not copy that hop link down there. So we're going to hit Control C and copy everything we just highlighted. Come back to the mailing system tab, hit Control V to paste. Now you can leave your email, hold up. Let's change these things right here. Where it says name, we're going to change that out. We don't want to say, hey name, how are you doing? And guess what? What we're going to do is we're going to highlight this code right next to where it says first name. These are codes for full name, first name, last name, email address, IP address, and sign up date. All we want to do is we just want to call them by the first name. That's all we need. We don't need the full name. We don't need their last name. Just their first name. And then we're just going to replace that. So highlight that and hit Control V to paste. And then right here where it says signature, you will just put your name. Then you will check this box that says perfect timing. Now, if you all want, once you insert your link, you can send your emails out with it looking like that. I just don't like my emails stretching out like this. So this next step isn't mandatory. This is just something I do. You do not have to do it. It's not going to make or break a sale, I'm pretty sure. I'm just so OCD. I like my things looking nice. And I don't think that looks nice. So what I do is I just type out 0 through 9, and I do that 4 times. And the only reason I do that is because I really don't want my line stretching out too much further than that. So once I get to this word new, I know I'm going to start a new line. And I just like to edit all of this in my notepad real quick. I'm going to open my notepad. Now remember, after the word new, I was going to start a new line. So there's the word new. And like I said, this is just me being me and OCD, and this is not something you have to do. So now I'm just going to copy all of this, Control C, come back to the mailing system. I'm going to hit Control A to highlight everything. Then I'm going to hit Control V to paste over it. I'm going to bring this line down like that. Uh-oh. This is why I do it in my notepad, because you've seen the line spacings all jacked up, and I'll never take the time to mess around with all that stuff. I know it has something to do with one of these. Oh well, I ain't got time for that. So now what we got to do is we need to get our affiliate link and insert it inside of this email, so that way whenever they're reading the email and they get to the link, if they click on it and they end up buying from that link, that's how you will earn your commission. So we're going to come back to the marketplace, this first tab over here, and we're promoting live chat jobs, the social media marketing. So we're just going to click on promote. Now make sure your account name right here, make sure your account name is in there, because that is required. What isn't required is a tracking ID. I like to use MLGS, that stands for My Lead Gen Secrets. And then for my second account, I'll just put a number 2 to let me know it's my second account. If I had a third account, I would put 3, 4, 5 for however many accounts. The past few days we've been using this one. Should I do one more? I'm going to do the $27 version this time. So we're going to click on this one. And then we're just going to click on Create Hop Link. So there it is. That's the link that if somebody clicks on it, we're going to get paid. That's if they buy from it. So we're just going to click copy. There's a button right here. You can barely see it. It says copy. You just click on that. Now trust me, don't nobody want to go to a link that says, hey, go to F211B3. So I got something that's going to clean that up. So what we're going to do, we're going to find like sentences that we can make clickable and insert this link. So like right here where it says click here to get started, we're just going to highlight that sentence right there. Come up to this little link right here, or you can hit Control L and it'll pop up this window. And right where it says URL, that's where you will paste your link. And then you will hit OK. I'm going to highlight live chat assistant too, and I'm going to insert it right there. All right, so now they got 2 places that they can click on and hopefully purchase what we have to offer. So before I hit perfect timing, there's a button to the right of this that says preview. I'm not going to hit send email yet. I'm going to hit preview to make sure these links are actually working. Okay, so it works. So now we are ready to send the email. So I'm going to close this and I'm just going to hit send email. And you can only email these leads once every 23 hours. So as you can see, they started my timer 23 hours. So now I'm going to sign into my second account and send out emails with my second account. But there's a little trick to speed things up. So what you're going to do is you're going to come up here. I can close this one out. I got my stats taken care of. Nothing to save here. You can save it now. All right. So I'm going to scroll all the way up to the top. Right where it says mailing system, right click on it and then hit duplicate. Now we're going to sign out of this. And since there ain't no little, there should be something for me to click on right here where my mouse is that says log out. Since there isn't, all you have to do is just click on this banner where it says secret and then it'll pop up. Then you'll just log out, then log right back in to the next account that you're ready to send emails out with. I'm going to sign into my second account. Repeat the steps, click on mailing system, select all, subject. Now I can just come back to the first tab that says mailing system, copy the subject, paste it over here, fix the spacing, scroll down, hit Control A, hit delete, come back to the first tab, scroll down, hit Control A to select all, then Control C to copy. Trying to teach you all keyboard shortcuts too, because you can't right click and paste in here. So you have to hit Control V in order to paste. So everything looks good. You click the perfect timing button. And as you can see, these are already blue. Like the links are already in there. So if I double clicked on that blue line for that box to open. So if you double click on that, all I have to do now to add my tracking link, I'll just click on it at the very end and add the number 2 right there at the very, very end. I'll just hit OK. Come back up, do it to this one. Hit the number 2. Click OK. Did I select all my leads? Okay, I didn't remember doing that. Now I'm just going to hit preview. I got so much dust in my eyes. On the gravel road earlier today, got dust all in my eyes. I got eye drops and everything I put in earlier. I don't think that helped. All right, so I'm going to click on the links, make sure they work. And my AC quit working. I got to get them in here tomorrow. So it's 84 degrees in my house right now. I'm burning up. All right, and I'm just going to hit send email. And that is that. As simple as that. So, I can't wait to promote that other product. I never seen that other product before. I seen somebody else promoting it the other day, and I just never seen it. And I think they actually got some sales with it. So I'm going to send a couple more emails out with this product, and then I'll move on to the next one. But thank you all for tuning in. Come back and see me tomorrow, or it probably will be tomorrow. I don't have nothing planned. Had a crazy weekend. We had a class reunion. It was like all the reunions that's ever graduated here just had one big massive block party, and it was pretty crazy. I didn't even want to go at first, but I'm glad I did. But anyways, thank you all for tuning in. Y'all take care. Have a good day.